Every celebration is a great opportunity for us to do something nice for our nearest and dearest. We usually do our best to make their dreams come true. So what's the best present for a lady? What do you think? Flowers, certainly. These days you can buy them at a florist or at a supermarket. If you are short of time or want to give someone a surprise, you can order flowers and their delivery by phone or online. Tom and Mary's grandmother's birthday is tomorrow. Let's learn what they're going to give her. Words to learn. Flowers. Lily. Rose. Tulip. Tomorrow is the 28th of May. Yes, tomorrow is our grandma's birthday. Have you already got a present for her? Yes, here's a picture for her. What about you? I have no idea what to give her. What about flowers? I can't go shopping on my own, you know. Have you got any cash? Yes. Why don't you order flowers by phone, like your dad always does? Cool, thanks for the advice. Hello, Alice's shop, can I help you? Good afternoon. I'd like to send some flowers to my granny, please. Sure. What do you have in mind? I'm not sure. Could you suggest something? What's your granny's favorite color? Pink. How about roses? No thanks, they have thorns. Lilies? They have a strong smell. She doesn't like it. Then tulips are the best choice. They have no thorns and hardly smell at all. Okay. How many pink tulips would you like? A dozen, please. No, 21, please. It's Granny's favorite number. Okay. When would you like us to send them? On the afternoon of May the 28th, please. So, tomorrow afternoon. Who are they for? For Mrs. Elizabeth Brown at 9 Bloomfield Street, London. Would you like to include a card? No, thank you. I don't have it ready. We can offer you our cards if you like. No, thanks. Okay. That will be £30, including delivery. Will you pay by cash or credit card? By cash. Thanks for your order, sir. 21 tulips for your granny will be delivered tomorrow between 2 and 4 p.m. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Goodbye. We hope Tom's granny likes the tulips, and that she will be proud of her grandson. Let's practice the new words and phrases so we can order flowers for our nearest and dearest one day.